Alimba. Wanji? Hey, Kale, let's hear from Rema Namakula. Temumulaba. Mumwagala wa. Ate yafiirire.
Olugendo n'emyaka gy'egyo.
Alimba.
Azikirize
Kinyankole.
Emyaka gy'egyo. Banange mwenna tubebaza okukeera wano. Ne mubeera wa Spice Diana. Buli ali wano, thank you so much. Abamawulire, Spice Gadgets, abayimbi mwenna, thank you so much. The sponsors, mwebale. Spice. Ntera namuyita baby girl because Spice ali real. Emikwano gy'abayimbi giba mizibu. I for one, sije nina mingi. Era it's rare. Ndwawugamba nti onsanze nti ndine gundi sibalinaako buzibu. Naye omuntu asobola okugamba nti I think you need this kind of photographer to bring out this. I think you need this. Like, totally selfish. Yeah. Kuba ngabo imbagambye nti waliwo get down nasooka agamba generations zinza okubazawukanamu a little bit, you know. Mulimu ebintu byoba totwalanga byamaanyi. You're like, I'll use my phone to take a picture. Chiba chimala, you know. And then she'll tell you, the first photographer when nafuna mantambula naye. I think Spicy amufunira. Like, you know, you need a photographer, no several contacts, she's not selfish, she'll call that person, aba connecting it. Totally selfish. Atenge echo kimanyidwa nnyo mu bakyala, you know. But Spice,
tali lwejula.
Tali lwejula. Ate bambi kaagaliza ndozera kyekyo selfish. N'ekirala, in this industry ng'omukyala, as a young woman, young lady nga Spice, openings ennyo amaaso ebintu bingi nnyo. Mulimu ebintu abasinga abayimbi wano baali bateefiirako, you know, like how you dress, how to, you know, ayongeddemu nga omuyita nti she's a star girl. Ayongeddemu, ekintu akyongeddemu, and then you're like, ooh, you know, no longer industry ekula. I'm telling you, we should be grateful for Spice Diana. You know, industry yeyongeddemu ko there's that, yeah, what is it called? She's always coming up with something new. Yes, showbiz, you know, she has branded herself so well. You know, don't get guarantee. Or maybe it's not all about singing, going on stage, making that money, go back home and sleep. You have to think of other things as well. Yeah? So, nze sijja kukwekereza wamma. Tukulabirako yadde tuli bakulubo. Ekitegeera, there's some things we see, no gamba, akaana kano nze nkaita kaana ako. I don't know if it upsets you, but I feel like, akaana kano kalabye, you know, nekakuba ekifaananyi nga kya tabbu nga ne Beyonce tannakifuluma.
Alimba.
Just saying, honestly, you know. I'm here because I'm grateful. You're real. Webale kugatta abayimbi abasinga obagatta. I don't know how we do that. Abantu abasinga bakolagana naawe in ways of, you know, they come to your home, they are close to you. It's not easy. It's not easy. Abayimbi tulina obuyisa bwaffe. Buli omu alina obuyisa bwe. But okugatta abantu in one place, it means a lot. It says a lot about you. So come 10 January, we're truly to support you, baby girl. I have my table one. Yeah.
Agonze.
Once in every concert yangi, when I was getting my costumes ready, she was part of the costume team. So Spice, thank you. Thank you for being who you are.
Thank you so much, Rema. Rema, kaimba chaka Spice. Kotelo kuimba mu nyumba. Oh. Wanji?
Jango ndabe.
Rema, kayimba
Oyimba
cha.
bwenyumira. Ni kama kaina vibe yako.
Akali wako. Twagala kamunju.
Wanji? Kakwe Mike.
There's a song Mr. Lee wrote for me, bakaita Dr. Ali. Twali mu studio nkayimba ndowooza ku Rema. Dr. Hamza.
Ai ai.
Go wayimbira Hamza kayimba. Spicy. So toyina kali specific.
Oyimba usinga mwagala.
Okay.
Baby boy onsanula. Renkola kusinza. Baby boy onsanula.
Ukawelezani.
Oba tukakole remix.
Baby Jamondabe. That was a different vibe. Baby Jamondabe. Mokwano Jamondabe. Why don't you touch my body? That was nice too.
Thank you so much, Rema Namakula. Another round of applause for Rema. Spice webale nnyo kugatta bayimbi. Rema kyayogedde kikulu nnyo. Every time Spice has an event is where you find artists wadde nga tebakwatagana naye ojja basanga mu kifo kimu always. That's a very good virtual ekwataganya abantu. It's not very easy mu industry yaffe si kyangu nnyo. Kale, let's go to one last person, then Diana ajja kwogera ate nzizireyo eri mikwano gye because mingi nnyo. Let me pass the mic over to Carol right here. Then nja kuddayo eno maaso kawo. Carol Kasita. Mama Sita.
Efe bakunoonya.
Diana, I'm so proud of you. Nti otose ku something actually this big, celebrating 10 years in the business. It is not, hey, how are you guys?
Fata.
You okay? Temondaba?
Tukulaba. Onyiridde nnyo.
Zembalaba. Yes, I hope you're okay. Yeah, Diana, I'm so happy for you to be here, that you're celebrating 10 years in the business. And I'm so happy to here to support you as a celebrated 10 years in the business. You're my friend. In fact, you're my gango. People don't know things. We share things. Not Lugambwe, but real things. Me and Diana share things, and she's a very good friend to me. Era mutawanya nnyo, and she knows it. Era simyange wagira baba inojikwata amanya it's urgent. Tachitwala for granted. Era wajimisinga, she calls back and says, Carol, are you okay? I found your missed call. So it's we have very many friends in the industry. Me, I'm friends with very many artists. In fact, every artist, Mokwano Gwangi. But it is unique and funny how I found a very good friend in Diana. And I don't take our friendship for granted. I respect it very much because she also respects it a lot, and I see it in her. Mulabanga fayo nyo kulaba nti we are friends in every way. And Diana is very, very real, Banange, and you guys real knows real, because me, I'm the realest person. So being Diana's friend, it's not by mistake. I'm her friend because she's a real person. She'll tell you Tonyomye, and she'll tell you Onyomye. Like in your face, Natachi Kwezi. So it's why I like her so much, and she tried so much. Like Naga Bane Karo, Gezako Chino, Kali Wapenanga no Mtomine, Sibifa Konyo. Nayabe Ovelo Mlabanga, Fakonyo, try this, try that. She's a person abelanga kugatako, and every time when we meet, we talk about Zimba. It's rare for us to talk about Ebitatu Zimba. We're always talking about Echidako. It's why we managed to have a song together after being friends in a very short time. Because we came close in a short time, and then boom, we had a collaboration together. Because every time we are together, we're talking about Echigendo Tugata, Echigendo Tuongerayo, how do we get from here to there? And thank you for being that kind of friend. So, come 10 January, I am gonna be there like your sister, like a good friend to you, like you are to me. And